Till previous class, we have done how to save our presentation, PowerPoint presentation. What are the options we can save and how to save it? Today we are going to see how can we save our presentation in different file formats. What are file formats? Students in MS and Microsoft Office, we use different type of files. Some are Word file, some are Excel files. So if you observe minutely, then that whatever file we send you, there is an extension, there is a small short form. Like for PDF, it is written PDF. For document, there is DOCS, docs. Okay. For Excel sheet, we have EXE. So for as PDF, we use PDF, or we have XPX. So the short forms are XPS. So how we can save our presentation in different format? To save a file in PDF or XPS file format, see save as PDF or save as XPS. What are the steps we need to follow? On the File tab, select Save As. First step is we have to go to File tab. So first step is we have to go to File tab. Then we have to select the option Save As. Under Save As, do the followings. What are the following steps we need to follow? First is under Recent Folders, select Browse. Pick a path and file folder, and then name the file. Second, in the Save As type list, pick the file format that you want. So first we have to go to the File tab. वहां से हमें सिलेक्ट करना है सेव एज. जैसे ही हम सेव एज में क्लिक करेंगे तो दो स्टेप हमें फॉलो करना है. What are the steps? We have to go to the recent folder. We have to browse that what file we have saved when we have made the PDF. Or if we are making a new presentation, whatever name we want to give to the file. अगर हम नया प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहे हैं तो हमें जो भी नाम देना है उस प्रेजेंटेशन का हम वो नाम देंगे. उसके बाद we will go to the save as type list. हम save as type list में जाएंगे. वहां से हमें जो भी फॉर्मेट में फाइल को सेव करना है, आइदर PDF और XPS, हम उस फाइल टाइप को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. सिलेक्ट करने के बाद we will click on save. After that, in PowerPoint 2013, you can save file to an earlier version of PowerPoint by selecting the version from Save As type list in the Save As box. For example, you can save a PowerPoint presentation in the newest PowerPoint presentation format, that is PPTX, or as a PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation, that is .ppt. Okay, in PowerPoint 2013, we have an option to save our presentation files as the earlier, that is before the version of 2013, or we can save as the recent format, that is the new format in PPTX. format. Okay. Then comes closing a presentation. The steps to close a presentation are as follows. Click the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Click Close in the left pane. If the presentation has not been saved, a message box will display asking you to save the changes you have made. Click Save if you want to save the changes. Click Don't Save if you do not want to save the changes. Click Cancel if you want to return to the presentation. Okay, so to close the presentation, we can go to the File tab. There we have an option in the left pane that is Close. आप उसमें क्लिक कर सकते हो. जैसे ही आप उसमें क्लिक करोगे एक मैसेज बॉक्स आएगा. अगर आपने अगर कोई चेंजेस किए हैं अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में, अगर आपने उसे सेव नहीं किया है तो एक मैसेज बॉक्स आएगा that do you want to save the changes. आपने जो भी चेंजेस किया है क्या आपको सेव करना है? If you want to save, then click and save. If you don't want to save, then click it do not save or don't save. Or if you just want to go to the presentation, back to the presentation, click in cancel. The last part is opening a presentation. The steps to open a presentation are as follows. Click the File tab, the Backstage view will appear. Click Open in the left pane, select Computer, and then click Browse. The Open dialog box appears. Select the required drive, folder, and file. Click Open. अगर आपको अपना सेव किया हुआ presentation फिर से खोलना है, if you want to open a presentation which you have saved in your system, for that you have to click the File tab. You have to go to the Backstage view. There you have a Open in the left pane. Click the Open option. Select the computer, then Browse. Then select the folder and the file where you have saved the presentation. Then click Open and your presentation will be open.